Erythroblastosis Fetalis. It's a mouthful to say, and a serious condition to have. In simple terms, it's a blood incompatibility problem that can happen between a pregnant woman and her developing baby. Imagine a battle taking place within the womb, where the mother's immune system mistakenly attacks the baby's red blood cells. This happens because the mother and baby have different blood types, specifically involving the Rh factor. The Rh factor is a protein found on the surface of red blood cells. People are either Rh positive, they have the protein, or Rh negative, they don't. Erythroblastosis fetalis, also known as hemolytic disease of the newborn, occurs when an Rh negative mother is pregnant with an Rh positive baby. This condition is serious, but thankfully, it's treatable and preventable. Understanding erythroblastosis fetalis empowers us to protect the health of mothers and their precious newborns. To understand why this happens, let's picture a scenario. An Rh negative mother and an Rh positive father are expecting a baby. The baby inherits the Rh positive factor from the father. During pregnancy, small amounts of the baby's blood can mix with the mother's blood, especially during delivery. When the Rh negative mother is exposed to the baby's Rh positive blood, her immune system treats it as a foreign invader. Think of it like this. The mother's immune system has never encountered the Rh factor before, so it produces antibodies to fight it off. These antibodies are like little soldiers programmed to destroy any Ra positive blood cells they find. The problem is, these antibodies can cross the placenta, the lifeline between mother and baby. Once inside the baby's bloodstream, they attack and destroy the baby's red blood cells. This leads to the various health problems associated with erythroblastosis fetalis. Let's delve deeper into the biological processes at play. The key players in this story are antigens and antibodies. Antigens are like identification tags on the surface of cells. The Rh factor is one such antigen. Antibodies are proteins produced by the immune system to target and destroy foreign invaders, like bacteria or viruses. In erythroblastosis fetalis, the mother's immune system produces antibodies against the Rh antigen, which is present on the baby's red blood cells. These antibodies, called anti-D antibodies, are specifically designed to attack and destroy Rh-positive blood cells. When these antibodies reach the baby's circulation, they attach to the Rh antigens on the baby's red blood cells, marking them for destruction. This process is called hemolysis, and it can lead to anemia, jaundice, and other complications. Symptoms and diagnosis. Erythroblastosis fetalis can cause a range of symptoms in newborns from mild to severe. Some babies may have no symptoms at all, while others may experience jaundice, which is the yellowing of the skin and whites of the eyes due to a buildup of bilirubin, a byproduct of red blood cell breakdown. Another symptom is anemia, a low red blood cell count, which can lead to fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath. Additionally, splenomegaly and hepatomegaly, the enlargement of the spleen and liver, can occur as these organs work over time to remove damaged red blood cells. Doctors diagnose erythroblastosis fetalis through a combination of blood tests, including blood typing and Rh factor testing of both the mother and baby. Antibody screening tests are also performed to detect the presence of anti-D antibodies in the mother's blood. In some cases, procedures like amniocentesis or chordocentesis are used to obtain samples of amniotic fluid or fetal blood to assess the severity of the condition. Treatment and prevention. Thankfully, erythroblastosis fetalis is both treatable and preventable. Treatment options include phototherapy, which involves exposing the baby to special blue lights to help break down bilirubin. Blood transfusions are another option, where the baby's blood is replaced with Rh negative blood or blood that has been treated to remove antibodies. Intravenous immunoglobulin, or IVIG, provides the baby with antibodies that can help protect their red blood cells from destruction. Prevention is key. Rh negative mothers who are pregnant with Rh positive babies can receive a medication called Rh immunoglobulin, also known as RhoGAM. RhoGAM works by preventing the mother's immune system from producing anti-D antibodies. This medication is typically given during pregnancy and again after delivery. By preventing the formation of these harmful antibodies, RhoGAM effectively prevents erythroblastosis fetalis in subsequent pregnancies, so what do you think? Have you or anyone you know experienced erythroblastosis fetalis? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content on health and medicine.